Hello students, today I'll tell you about the position of prepositions. Like in each and every sentence, there is a proper place of the preposition we are using. Okay, so there are certain rules. I'm telling you some of them. Number one is the preposition is usually placed before the noun or pronoun it governs. Okay, that is clear. Prepositions we are using, prepositions we are placing before the noun or pronoun it governs, but it is often placed at the end of the sentence. Okay, when the relative pronoun is omitted, as example is that is the boy I was speaking of, or I was talking of. Okay, so here whom, that is the relative pronoun, it is omitted here, it is not clear here. So in these type of sentences we are using preposition at the end. In next one, in interrogative sentences the preposition is often placed at the end, as what are you talking about. In all the interrogative sentences, we are using prepositions at the end. Examples, what are you talking about? About is preposition. What do you want me for? For is preposition. What is this made of? Of is preposition. And who are you looking for? Okay, or what are you talking about? So these all are the prepositions we are using at the end in interrogative sentences. Next, number 3, when the object is the relative pronoun that. When in the sentence the object is the relative pronoun that, the preposition is always played at the end, as here is a book that you asked for. So for is preposition and that is the relative pronoun. This is the boy that I spoke of. Understood? Next or last rule, the preposition is also placed at the end when emphasis is required. Emphasis means when we are emphasizing on something. This I insist on. So here on is preposition, and in that sentence we are emphasizing. Okay, this I insist on. Next, such conduct I am at a loss to account for. Okay, now exercise number 3 we will do today. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. Number 1, he has spent his life in Delhi. As area we are using Delhi, so before Delhi we are using in. I saw him felling a big tree with a hatchet. See, it is the tool, it is the instrument. With the help of that we are cutting. Okay, I saw the tree is cutting with that instrument, with that tool. So before the tool we will use with. Next, he traveled 120 kilometer in 2 hours. Okay. Next is he is laid down with fever since yesterday. Next, he rushed into my room panting for breath. Panting means to breathe quickly. Okay. So he rushed into my room. In the moving position, for moving position we will use into, not in. Next is the Rajdhani Express is due at 3 p.m. Okay. Next, the child has been missing since last Tuesday. So here we will use since. Why? Just because the particular day is given over there, Tuesday. So we can count the days. That is why we are using since here. Next, the portrait was painted by Ravi Verma. So why by we are using here? We can use with also. But for the agent, for person, we will use by, and for the instrument we will use with. Next is he hanged himself with a piece of cloth. So piece of cloth, that is non-living, for that we will use with. Okay, and the last one, he was born in a small village in Gujarat. Okay, so that you will do in your book very neatly, very properly. In next video we will complete the chapter. Okay, thank you.